Hi, you are looking right now at the course LIT115. I just want to take you through the course so that you can see how it's organized. When you log in and go to the content, and that's what I have up, you will see this. To begin the course, you want to click on Course Information Start here, and you will see a number of files that you need to be looking at. The first is my welcome video. Please watch that. You can see me being really super dorky talking at the camera. The next important thing to bring up is the syllabus. This has all the key information you need for the course, and I encourage you to actually download it. If you click on download, and then you can open this like that. And you can actually go ahead and print it, save it to your computer. That way you can easily access it whenever you need it. Another file that I encourage you to print is the course schedule. This has all the due dates on it. There will be due dates throughout the course as well, but this is a complete document where you can see everything and when it's due. Please note that this is subject to change here, right? The schedule is subject to change as we go through the course. I'll announce it. And it lays out for you. So for the first week, you're to watch the welcome video. Hey, you're watching the course tour right here. You are reading certain pages in the text, and you're completing the course introduction week 1 activities. And each week you'll notice it'll tell you your reading, when to begin the discussions, when they need to be complete. As we go on later in the course, you'll see some major things due, like a fiction exam, etc. Another thing to look at are the discussion guidelines and grading criteria. Sometimes you're in a class and you're wondering, well, how are my online discussions going to be graded? And this really talks about it. It talks about that you need to post your initial discussion no later than Thursday of the week, and then you need to read classmates' responses, and those are complete by the due date, Saturday of that week. And here are how I will grade them. They're graded under several criteria: the quantity, the length of it, the quality, and the timeliness. And I use a rubric, so that's not a mystery how you'll be graded. And you can look through that. Another thing in here gives you an overview of the course. I believe this is helpful for you because not only does it kind of highlight some key things about how the class is organized, it talks about how you contact me, what's the best way to get a hold of me, how long it takes me to respond, and also how long it takes me to grade your assignments. So you'll find all that information under Course Information Start here. Under Course Resources, a link to the Writing Center, library, some basic writing resources to help you, and also there's a companion site for your textbook with some helpful tutorials. There will be assignments posted here, and then you'll notice that we have 3 major modules that run through the class: fiction, poetry, and drama. For each module, there will be in assignments that'll talk to you about the assignments that are due for that week. So in other words, here in week 2, you're reading and then your discussion. And there will always be a live link to the discussion. So in week 1, which is what you're in now, it tells you that you need to do the following activities in here. To watch the video, and there are links. Read the syllabus, read the course calendar, purchase the textbook, read all of these, complete week 1 discussion, and to read these pages in your textbook. And then there are some online resources that talk about one of the readings here. So that in general is how the course is organized. There's a grade book where your grades will be kept, an easy link to the discussions. So I hope that that's useful for you, and gives you just a basic idea of the structure of the class. Again, I'm looking forward to having you in class.